Hi everyone, I wanted to share a little bit about my shoemaking journey with you all. I started this as fun playtime activity, but it quickly became something more. I worked diligently to become a skilled shoemaker, which was no easy task as I initially pursued a career in tailoring. However, I never gave up on the passion I had for shoemaking, and see where I am today. I can proudly declare I'm a shoemaker. This journey demonstrates the power of importance of following your passion. I want to tell all of you not to quit on your passion work. Chase your dream, never give up. Embrace the challenge, learn from your failure, and keep pushing forward. The journey is worth it. Thank you for your support. Remember, your dreams are worth chasing, and I can't wait to see all of you shine in whatever you choose to pursue. Thank you once again, and thank you for supporting my dream too. I hope to be more bigger than what I am today. Peace.